Hello out there, viewer land. This is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage. It is February 7th, 2025. And we think this is, we know it's segment 1. We think it's part 51.
51.
51.
Yeah, this is 51. Yeah.
51. Okay, so what do we got going here? A little update. There's a boot on the shift. That's not about in Canada, that's a boot. Anyway, that's the shifts. We're getting closer. And then on the back, I got a license plate frame. Which I'll probably fill that up temporarily with
With their logo.
with our logo and a piece of cardboard till we get the plates. All right, so did you find out anything about the registration? Did you call those people?
No, what I need to do, we need to get online and see if we can pull up that one app, that one form. You should be able to download the forms.
Okay. All right. So what else we got? We got a box from Hiropito, North Island of New Zealand. So this would be the garnish moldings. Okay. Nice, strong box. Anyway, thank you, Barbara, if you're watching this. All right, so I'm going to pause this and go online to look for some documentation, and we'll be back in a little bit. Back after a short pause. Here's the garnish moldings shipped from Smash Palace, New Zealand. I'm going to open one of these and see what it looks like.
Once you got it taped good. Let me get my razor blade.
I guess I got cut and peel.
Yeah, she definitely wrapped it good. Be careful, Bob. Be careful of that.
I'm going to pause this. Hang on.
Originally.
Yeah.
Does your coupe have a up on top?
Yeah, but I put it there, assuming that's where it went. I can't remember. It was 65 years ago.
Yeah, there's no way that this would go in there with that fucking molding in there.
I would assume this should be tight to here, right?
Right.
I don't know. Maybe we can
I'm
look.
going to call Terry and ask him about that.
Yeah. Maybe also take a look at Jim's car, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
See what he's got. Okay, I think I'm going to end this segment, right? We've got all we've got going
Here,
here.
show everybody what we found up in here.
Okay. He had installed the weather stripping channel for the window up here, but if you, I don't know if I can see it.
Where it screws on is screwed this. There's tabs in here that work are way back in there, and for these screw holes
To match up.
that means this here has got to be flush to here. So they must have not used a top felt.
Yeah.
If anybody out there from UK knows anything about that, let us know.
Yeah. I guess maybe Tim in England.
Huh?
Tim in England might
Yeah.
be able to
Yeah.
check it out for us.
Yeah. Let us know.
Yeah.
I'm going to call my guy out here that I got the doors from, who's supposed to be an Anglia guy, and ask him about that.
Okay, so let me summarize for our viewers out there. In a stock 48 Anglia, what happens in this top groove? Does it have a U-channel felt? Does it have something else? Because this obviously, the screw holes, this has to be squeezed together a lot more than what the existing stuff we put in and allows.
Yeah, the screw holes are way back in there. See how far they're? Those screw holes in that tab are way in there. So that sure as hell, there ain't a piece that goes up in there.
1, 2, 3. Right?
Yeah, there's 3 holes.
Oh.
And then the whisker goes on this side here,
Yeah.
screws in, and then this whisker screws in over there. Okay, I got that.
Okay. All right.
All right. So
That's
there
it.
it is. There's that piece there. The other one's got it broken in here, but which ain't
Well,
no
it's also
biggie. It's
broken in
which no biggie. That just what do you expect for something? 60 years?
48. More than that.
Yeah, more than that.
Well, 48, what, 50, 75, 80 years old?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
anyhow.
And they are Bakelite.
Oh yeah.
They're not
So
steel.
they're not steel. Okay.
Yeah, see, this one is broken.
Yeah,
into-
it's got the.
See?
Yeah, but that's it's fixable. Yeah, which that's.
Okay.
Not even unwrap the back ones.
All right, so I'm going to end this segment then. We'll catch y'all later. Take care out there. This is the end of segment 1, part 51, I believe. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.